We're going to review the assembly of the SignComp 3x5 channel letter Raceway. To begin assembly, you will take an internal brace. These 2-inch braces slide into the top provided screw boss to give you the structure required to keep the Raceway to shape. Those screw bosses are also utilized to attach your end cap. The end cap is placed aligned with the screw bosses. The screws are then driven into one end of your Raceway to secure one end of this Raceway. At that time, you'll take the mounting clips. The mounting clips slide into the back of the Raceway at the top as well as the bottom. These mounting clips will stop on the end cap, allowing you to leave the mounting clips in place and utilized to position on the job site. Another feature of the Raceway is that we have a hinge cover. The hinge cover rolls into the back and then slides forward and secures with a fastener. At that time, you will attach the other end cap and complete the assembly of the Raceway. Features and benefits that are provided with the SignComp Raceway allow you to take an extended brace and slide that extended brace inside the screw bosses at both the top and the bottom of the Raceway. Sliding these braces into the top and the bottom are going to allow us a splice feature using 100% of the drops of your Raceway. By sliding it into the bottom, extending it into the Raceway splice, and then connecting this at the top of the Raceway to the opposite side. Now an extension of that brace at the top and the bottom will now secure that Raceway, weld off at opposite sides. Your mounting clips will be into place, but can also be slid in to give you added security. Again, the cover hinges to the back of the Raceway, slides forward, locks and secures.